Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Spritch, where we help you speak clear, natural English for real life. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. We're so happy you're here with us today. We love learning with you, and we love seeing your progress every week.
And today we have a very exciting topic. We're talking about how to talk about your New Year resolution in English. This is something many people want to speak about, especially in January.
Yes, and we'll help you understand the words, the ideas, and also how to talk about your own resolutions in simple and confident English.
If you enjoy learning with us, please like this video and subscribe. It really helps us grow, and it helps more learners improve their English too.
All right, let's get started with today's lesson. It's going to be fun, simple, and super useful.
So, Jack, be honest. How long do your New Year resolutions usually last?
If I'm lucky, maybe 10 days? Sometimes only 3. I start with big energy, but then life happens.
Oh, same here. Last year, I said I will read every night. And guess what?
Let me guess, you read for 2 nights?
3. Then I fell asleep with the book on my face.
See, this is why many resolutions fail. We often choose goals that are too big, too fast. We forget that real change needs small, simple steps.
Yes, and people feel bad when they stop, but it's completely normal. Everyone has small failures or moments when they lose energy.
Exactly. A resolution is not about being perfect. It's about trying again, slowly. Even one small action can help you move forward.
My friendly advice, don't feel guilty. Just restart with a tiny step. Instead of read for what hour, try read for 5 minutes.
I like that. 5 minutes is easy, and easy goals build confidence.
So, if your past resolutions failed, don't worry. You are human. We are human. Today we'll learn how to talk about resolutions in English and maybe choose ones that feel more realistic.
Yes, and we'll share some fun examples too. Let's go.
All right, let's talk about today's main idea. New Year resolutions. What does this mean in simple English?
A New Year resolution is a promise you make to yourself at the start of the year. It's something you want to change, improve, or start doing.
Yes, it can be anything, big or small. For example, a resolution can be, I want to drink more water, or I want to learn English every day.
Exactly. It's like giving your future self a small gift, a better habit, a better routine, or a better skill.
Let's share our own goals. One of my resolutions this year is, I want to keep my mornings calm. So I decided to start with a simple habit, drinking warm water before checking my phone.
That sounds peaceful. My resolution this year is I want to build a healthier routine. So I plan to walk for 20 minutes every day. Not too big, not too small.
See, resolutions don't need to be perfect or huge. They just need to be honest and meaningful to you.
And today, we'll show you how to talk about your resolutions confidently in English.
So, Jack, let's begin with personal growth. Many people have an aspiration to become calmer, kinder, or more focused.
Yes, and the word aspiration is a beautiful one. It means a deep wish for yourself. For example, my aspiration this year is to become more patient.
I like that. One of my aspirations is to reduce stress. I'm trying to create a morning routine that feels more peaceful, not rushed.
That sounds lovely. And small routines help a lot. They make your goals feel more sustainable, which means something you can continue for a long time without burning out.
Health goals are very common, right?
Oh, yes. Many people want to exercise more, eat better, or sleep earlier. But these goals need strong commitment, like a serious promise to yourself.
True. Last year I said, I will go to the gym every day. But that plan was not sustainable at all.
Same here. Now I try to move my body in simple ways. Even a 15-minute walk can transform your mood.
Yes, transform means to change in a big and positive way, and I really feel that after a short walk.
Now let's talk about work or study resolutions. Many learners say, I want to study English every day.
That's a wonderful goal, but you must prioritize it. This means you choose it as something important in your day.
Exactly. And even 10 minutes can build momentum, the positive energy you create when you keep doing something again and again.
I love that word. Momentum makes learning feel easier over time. Another popular area is money. People want to save more or spend less.
Yes, but saving money also needs accountability, being honest with yourself about your choices.
That's true. And habits like reducing screen time or drinking more water also need small, clear steps.
Right. A huge goal can feel impossible, but an achievable goal feels friendly and realistic. Like, I will save a small amount each week.
And of course, sometimes we don't follow our resolutions.
Yes, and that's totally okay. We can say, I had a small setback, but I want to try again.
A setback simply means a small problem or a moment when things don't go as planned.
You can also say, I lost momentum, but I'm starting again, which sounds positive and confident.
Exactly. Resolutions are not about being perfect. They're about learning, adjusting, and growing slowly. Earlier in our conversation, we used a few higher level words. Some of them might feel new or a little big, right? So let's talk about them in a simple way.
Yes, let's make them friendly because big words are not scary, they just need a little sunlight.
So, first, we use the word aspiration. Remember when I said my aspiration is to reduce stress?
Yes, an aspiration simply means a strong, hopeful dream for yourself. It's like a goal with emotion in it.
Exactly. Example, my aspiration is to become more confident.
Then we use the word sustainable. I said a routine should be sustainable.
Sustainable just means something you can continue without feeling tired or stressed, something friendly to your life.
Example, a 10-minute walk every day is sustainable for me.
Another word we used was transform. I said walking can transform your mood.
Transform means a big positive change, not small, something you really feel.
Example, morning exercise can transform your day.
We also used prioritize. I said you need to prioritize your English study.
Prioritize means choosing what is most important and doing that first. It's like telling your brain, this matters.
Example, I want to prioritize reading this year.
Next, we used momentum. I love this word.
Me too. Momentum is the positive energy you build when you keep doing something again and again.
Example, after 1 week of practice, I felt strong momentum.
And finally, we used setback. I said a small setback is normal.
Setback just means a small problem or challenge that slows you down but doesn't stop you.
Example, I had a setback, but I started again.
All right, let's take a quick moment to review everything we talked about today. New Year resolutions are simply promises we make to ourselves, promises to grow, to change, or to try something new.
Yes, and remember, resolutions do not have to be huge or difficult. Small, honest steps are powerful. A 5-minute habit can sometimes help more than a big plan.
We also spoke about why resolutions sometimes fail. It's normal. Everyone has small setbacks. What matters is starting again with kindness and a simple plan.
And we explored different kinds of resolutions: personal growth, health, study, money, and daily habits. We even used some higher level words like aspiration, sustainable, transform, prioritize, momentum, and setback.
The main idea? You can talk about your resolutions in English, and you can also talk about your challenges in a calm and positive way.
And of course, you can restart your resolution any day, not only on January 1st. Every day is a new beginning.
Very true. You're learning, you're improving, and we're here to support you.
Now it's your turn. We would really love to hear from you. Writing in the comments is a great way to practice real English.
Yes, don't be shy. Even a simple sentence is perfect. Your English does not need to be perfect, it just needs to be yours.
So here is our question of the day. What is your New Year resolution this year?
You can choose something small or something big. Here are 2 example answers to help you. My New Year resolution is to read for 5 minutes every night.
My New Year resolution is to walk more and use my phone less.
Now it's your turn. Write your resolution in the comments. We read your messages and we really enjoy seeing your ideas.
And your comment might inspire another learner too. So go ahead, practice with us.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We're really happy you joined this lesson.
Yes, and remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. Some days feel easy, some days feel slow, but every small step brings progress.
Be kind to yourself as you learn. Celebrate your small wins. Even watching this video today is a win.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who also wants to improve their English. Your support helps our little community grow.
We're excited to learn with you again next time.
Take care, stay hopeful, and keep practicing. See you in the next video. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.